Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so updates can run. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Unstable networks cause failures. Then free about 200 to 500 megabytes of space by clearing app caches or removing one unused app so installs can complete. Next, open Google Play and tap your profile, then manage apps and device. Once done, check the updates available list and tap Update on a single app to observe any immediate errors or progress. Now you focus on middle-layer causes, permissions, and power restrictions. Make sure Play Store and the app have background and unrestricted data so downloads don't pause. Go to Apps Data Usage to toggle that. Check storage and network permissions because denied writes block installations. Also disable battery optimization for Play Store and any app that won't update. Aggressive optimization kills background work. If automatic updates are paused, switch to manual for testing, then try updating one app to confirm. Finish by resetting the app ecosystem to eliminate corrupt state. You clear cache and storage for Google Play Services, and Download Manager, then reboot so changes take effect. This often resolves stuck updates. If sync errors persist, remove and re-add your Google account to force a fresh sync. As a final step, uninstall Play Store updates or, rarely, perform a factory reset after backing up data. If problems continue, try the Download Manager logs and note the exact error code for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.